Everything explained in this video is summarized from the CoinMarketCap, and also please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for future XRP news and some other cryptocurrency news in general. Now take a look at this. Ripple CEO confirms direct discussions with Donald Trump on XRP as U.S. National Digital Asset Reserve. Brad Garlinghouse, the CEO of Ripple, revealed that he had a conversation with President Donald Trump about the possibility of putting XRP in a national digital asset reserve for the United States. This information was revealed by Garlinghouse during his presence on the XRP Community Day, which took place on X Space yesterday. Several XRP fans who participated in the X Space shared parts of Garlinghouse's remarks. While speaking at the event, Garlinghouse stated that he had a direct conversation with the President of the United States regarding the possibility of integrating XRP into a national digital asset reserve. The Crypto Basic has claimed that Ripple's CEO and Trump had met multiple times in recent weeks, especially after the U.S. election. After Ripple gave $5 million to support Trump's inauguration, Garlinghouse released a photo on his X account that proved he had dined with the president. The CEO of Ripple denies accusations that he is against Bitcoin. At the same time, Garlinghouse rejected allegations that he had pressured officials to select XRP instead of Bitcoin for the National Digital Asset Reserve. He stressed that his involvement was meant to persuade the President of the United States to create a digital asset reserve that is diversified rather than one that focuses on a specific coin such as XRP or Bitcoin. Earlier this week, Garlinghouse expressed a similar opinion in a post on X when speaking to Bitcoin Maxis. To provide some perspective, Ripple was accused by supporters of Bitcoin of promoting XRP instead of Bitcoin about the establishment of a national digital asset reserve. As a result, there was a heated argument over the weekend, during which some Bitcoin Maxis tried to get others to dislike Ripple. Garlinghouse advocates for unity. In response, Garlinghouse encouraged the cryptocurrency community to come together instead of tearing each other down. He insisted that the digital asset reserve should be diversified instead of giving preference to one coin over the others. This position encourages a multi-asset approach, which guarantees that a variety of crypto assets, such as XRP and BTC, would gain from the endeavor. Garlinghouse recently gave a speech in which he repeated his opinion that there is much potential for several cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin and XRP, to be successful in the cryptocurrency market. Cryptocurrency will be affected by Trump's presidency. In addition, the CEO of Ripple stressed that Trump's administration might have a major effect on the cryptocurrency business. This might take the shape of regulations that support cryptocurrency or the establishment of a national reserve of digital assets. Trump has already made significant progress in creating the necessary regulations for the cryptocurrency industry. Earlier, the Crypto Basic claimed that he had signed an executive order to form a working group for digital assets. David Sachs, who is the White House AI and crypto czar, is the chair of this group. The group includes the chiefs of many government agencies, such as the SEC and CFTC. It will provide a regulatory framework for digital assets and assess the risks and opportunities associated with the National Reserve. The XRP ledger is about to launch a tokenized U.S. Treasury fund from Ondo Finance, which will provide a major financial solution for institutions. Announcement of launch. Ondo Finance announced today that it will be launching the Ondo Short-Term U.S. Government Treasuries, OUSG, on the XRP ledger. The company recently tweeted that the tokenized fund is likely to open in the next 6 months, which has generated enthusiasm among institutional investors. Access to secure assets for institutions. Institutional investors on the XRP ledger will have access to a secure, compliant, and yield-bearing asset, all backed by high-quality U.S. Treasuries, with the release of. This action is intended to improve the financial environment on the blockchain, enabling users to invest in tokenized real-world assets while complying with strict Know Your Customer and anti-money laundering regulations. Important characteristics of the incorporation of OUSG on the XRP ledger introduces several additional capabilities that are intended to make it easier for institutions to embrace tokenized assets. Partnership with Ripple. Ondo Finance has teamed up with Ripple to offer early liquidity, which will help ensure that it is successfully adopted on the XRPL. Minting and redeeming will be easy. Users will be able to mint and redeem at any time, day or night, using Ripple's stablecoin. This feature provides ongoing liquidity and improved financial flexibility, removing the limitations of conventional trading hours. Cheap fees and high throughput. The XRP ledger is a great platform for integrating tokenized since it has cheap transaction fees and high throughput. In addition, its built-in compliance features such as decentralized identifiers and on-chain credential management guarantee that it adheres to regulations strongly. A secure investment choice is supposed to be a safe, low-risk investment choice for institutional investors, boasting backing from BlackRock's USD Institutional Digital Liquidity Fund. This support provides an additional degree of credibility and security to the investment, making it attractive to individuals who are looking for stability in the blockchain world. Increasing the number of tokenized assets. OpenEden made the news in August 2024 when it launched tokenized U.S. Treasury bills on the XRP ledger. This was an important milestone in combining traditional financial assets with blockchain technology. These tokens, which are supported by short-dated U.S. and reverse repurchase agreements, also comply with strict KYC and AML criteria. Ripple's $10 million investment in OpenEden's TBILL tokens further emphasizes its dedication to promoting tokenized assets. The introduction of OUSG indicates that there is still a commitment to pushing the limits of institutional DeFi and changing the way treasury management works on the blockchain. This is especially true now that Ondo Finance is pursuing a similar endeavor. The XRP ledger is adopting this new financial solution, which allows it to become a major player in the changing world of decentralized finance. It is also helping to connect traditional investments with the future of digital assets. If you want to receive more daily crypto news and updates like this, you can subscribe to the newsletter or sign up for push notifications. Chris Larsen, the chairman of Ripple, has sold XRP tokens worth around $116 million in 2025 alone after hanging onto them for years. According to on-chain data, Larsen's wallet seems to have started a distribution effort after its first major sale in September. It is interesting to note that the sell-offs are occurring at a time when XRP is doing exceptionally well following years of bearish pressure. Since the beginning of the year, the Chris Larsen 5 wallet, which is one of Larsen's 6 XRP accounts, has been sending XRP tokens to 2 different addresses, according to data from XRP Scan. One of the addresses is owned by Coinbase, which is the largest exchange in America. The second address is unknown, although the final destination has been exchanged. Information on the Chris Larsen transfers.